Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kaisaran Yostanto from 7.4, option number 12. Now I want to explain about my project. The title is Influence of Sustainable Lifestyle on Change of Student Behavior to Teacher. First, there are background. Sustainable lifestyles include habits that are more concerned about the environment, economy, and society, and include actions that aim to maintain balanced society and the economy. The influence of a sustainable lifestyle on change in student to teacher behavior can create challenge in communication, expectation, and teaching approach. Inadequate communication between teacher and student can be fatal to both the mental health. This also interferes with the learning process of students because of conflict that arise due to less intensive communication between teacher and student. Okay, so based on this background, so I choose this research title, Influence of Sustainable Lifestyle on Change in Student Behavior on Teacher. Problem formulation. First, how does a sustainable lifestyle impact student behavior? Second, how to change student reprehensible attitude toward teacher into commendable attitude. Research objective. First, to be able to find out the impact of lifestyle on student behavior to teacher. Second, to be able to understand how to change a student behavior attitude into a commendable attitude to the teacher. This is my research design. Mathematic ratio. Ratio is mathematical concept used to compare two or more values by showing how much one value compared by another. Ratio is usually used to express the relationship between two or more quantities in the form of number or fraction. A sustainable lifestyle encourages students to reflect on their action frequently, such as how can I improve myself to not only become a better individual but also make a positive impact. This reflection can strengthen their relationship with the teacher as they see the teacher as a figure who help guide their learning journey. Second, English. The compound noun material and the influence of sustainable lifestyle on change in student behavior to teacher to look like two different topics. However, there are several ways that can connect it the two contexts of education or English language teaching. Sustainable lifestyle often involve concepts related to the environment, economy, and society. Integrating language learning with sustainable lifestyle concepts helps students develop ethical values such as responsibility and empathy. This can strengthen the student-teacher relationship because teacher not only teach knowledge but also provide example of positive behavior. Third, science.
You only explain two subjects, then conclusion.
Okay. The first conclusion. How does a sustainable lifestyle impact student behavior? Okay. Students who adopt a sustainable lifestyle tend to pay more attention to how teacher and school support environment initiative. They may interact with teachers to discuss ideas such as reducing plastic use in the class or purchasing recycle, etc. Second, students who are aware of the importance of sustainability often show more enthusiasm in discussing related to environment issues. Third, If teachers support a sustainable lifestyle of the student, students are more likely to appreciate and trust the teacher more deeply. This can strengthen the relationship between student and teacher, creating higher respect. Conclusion second. How to change student reprehensive attitude toward teacher into commendable attitude. First, by reflecting on ourselves, we can control sustainable lifestyle pattern and control our attitude toward teacher. Teacher who practice a sustainable lifestyle sets a real example for students. This can motivate students to not only improve their relationship with the teacher, but also imitate the good habit they see, and this become part of daily self-improvement process. The purpose of components in communication between teacher and student can improve understanding, engagement, and create a better learning atmosphere. Yes, it truly can influence student behavior in more positive ways, such as increasing respect and the other. Okay. Changes the attitude of student is not only true for the effort of the teacher, but a student himself must regulate, control, and change his attitude in order to practice independence and also his obligation. For mm, through initiatives such as the ASEAN Social Culture Community, social values such as mutual respect and justice are taught. This also affects the relationship between teacher and student. Social values such as mutual respect and justice are taught to students. This in turn affects the lifestyle. And the last, number five, prayer as one of the important aspects of spiritual life of Muslim has a close relationship with the formation of character and behavior in relation to sustainable lifestyle and change in student behavior towards teacher. There are relevant points. Character building through prayer. Prayer trains discipline, responsibility, and awareness of moral values. Students who are diligent in prayer tend to show more polite, honest, and respectful behavior toward others, including teacher. Okay, that is my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, thank you, Mas Raja, for the presentation. I have one question for you.
Lama.
Can you explain the influence of sustainable lifestyle on student awareness and also concern for the economy?
A sustainable lifestyle can influence the student habits and concern awareness of environment such as the first make a positive habits, second increase social awareness, and then third increase environment awareness. Okay, man.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. Your project entitled The Influence of Sustainable Lifestyle on Changes in Student Behavior to Teacher. Before I give you questions, I want to comment your writing. It's very good content. You can explain it clearly one by one in every subject. And it's good, yeah. I hope you can do it better in 8th grade and 9th grade. Then my question, the first question is, can you give me example how can sustainable lifestyle implemented by student can have direct impact on students' behavior to the teacher? Because you explained it in the conclusion, you said that when we have a sustainable lifestyle, its impact with our attitude to the teacher. Can you give me the example?
When student can when student is get learning from with kecil-kecil when student get study by their parents to be more good when they still child. So the children, when they have older or maybe 17 plus, can have a good relationship between teacher or other in social community. Yeah. Oh yes.
Okay, the next question is, how does living a sustainable lifestyle affect the way students' behavior, interaction to the teacher? When we have a sustainable lifestyle, why it can be impact in our attitude to the teacher? How the way it can be impact?
The way is good. Okay, and can you repeat it?
What's the connection between we have sustainable lifestyle toward your attitude to your teacher?
Okay. If a student can bahasa Inggrisnya, can recycle their attitude towards teacher, so maybe the communication and attitude towards teacher may be more good or more stable, so that there's no conflict that happen toward teacher and the student.
Okay. In this school have so many activities. In your opinion, what's the most activities in your school that can increase your attitude to your teacher?
Maybe Ryan
In education, morning
in,
education, like
in
that.
yes, like that.
How the way it can be connected?
Okay, the ways that connected prayers to our sustainable life is when we doing our prayer, or maybe maybe in having happy
Morning education.
morning repetition, there's activities that like shahadat. This is can make a student more can manage their attitude or maybe mental for the student can stabilize their emotion, stress by reading a shahadat or prayer by focus that's so high.
So it can impact with our attitude, yeah,
Yes.
to the teacher. And then it's about science subject. You choose food change. Yeah. Can
Yeah.
you give me explanation? What's the connection between food change and your title?
Okay, food chain. Okay, I describe about function of science first. Food chain is a, a few organization that it's menguntungkan. Itu apa sih? Menguntungkan. Wait, man, menguntungkan itu apa ya?
Fine.
Menguntungkan itu apa? Oh, apa? Food chain is a few organization that can mix, man. That it's menguntungkan of each other. Like when a snake eat a rat, so they can stabilize the what the name, the wait, the environment, such seperti the food chain. When a student have a bad behavior, so the teacher must neutral and maybe apa, menetralkan or maybe make a good attitude for the students, because in food chains, when a war of animal died, so the animal must melengkapi the position of that animals. Nah,
Can you close your presentation?
oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.